Hello, our beautiful consumers. We are doing a review on a portable photo studio. You receive a main studio box and 6 beautiful backdrops in the color of black, white, orange, blue, red, green, and a micro USB power cord. Love how easy it is to set up, also the different ways you can take pictures inside of the box or on top of the box. All the information will be down below in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and turn on your post notification bell. Until the next review.